Stroop'd, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to play all the cards in your hand. Shuffle the deck and deal cards based on the number of players, from 14 cards each in a 2 to 4 player game, down to 5 cards each in an 8 to 10 player game. Place the deck face down on the table. Players are not allowed to look at the cards in their hand or touch them. If they do, then they must immediately draw one card from the top of the deck and return their hand face down on the table. Once everyone is ready, the dealer flips over the top card of the deck into a face-up discard pile. Each player is now allowed to pick up and look at their hand. The first player to play a correct card from their hand to the discard pile starts the game. Then play proceeds clockwise from that player. On your turn, you are the active player and must play one card from your hand onto the discard pile. The background color of the card played must match the requirements of the top card in the discard pile. There are two options, splatter and speech. If the top card in the discard pile is splattered paint, then you must play a card from your hand where its background color matches the font color of the word in the discard pile, regardless of what that word actually says. You can remember this because paint fills in the font. If the top card in the discard pile has a speech bubble, then you must play a card from your hand where its background color matches what the word in the discard pile says, regardless of that word's font color. You can remember this because the speech bubble tells you what to say. You may play a splatter or speech card from your hand so long as the background color matches the top discard card's requirements. Ignore the words on the cards in your hand. If another player thinks you played incorrectly, the accusing player stops play, looks at the cards in the discard to prove you played wrong. If you had played wrong, then you take the illegally played card back into your hand, draw one card from the top of the deck, and replay your turn. However, if it is proven that your play was legal, then the play stands and the accuser draws one card. Play then continues as normal. If you cannot play a correct card from your hand, or choose not to, you draw one card from the draw deck and end your turn. The next player clockwise then takes a turn. When playing with 5 or more players, the player to the left of the active player, called the skipper, may choose to skip the active player's turn by playing a permissible card before the active player plays. If this happens, then the active player's turn ends immediately without them playing or drawing a card. The player left of the skipper becomes the new active player and play proceeds from them. You may only skip the player on your right when they are the active player. The skipper does not have to skip if they choose not to. You may always ask whose turn it is at any time. The first player to discard all their cards wins the game. The winner of the previous game deals the next. When playing with 2 to 4 players, there is no play order. Everyone plays cards as fast as they can. Players may only play one card at a time and may only use one hand to play cards. If no one can play, the dealer flips the top card of the draw deck and play continues. The first player to discard their hand wins.